Guys, this is Astropark and welcome to another episode of my weekly market review sponsored by pionex. Again, like every time, thanks to pionex for sponsoring this, and let me record for you guys this weekly market review with a lot of educational tips. This is something I always try to pass to you guys just because I love teaching. Okay, and I love teaching trading in this case, and I hope you can get the best from it and improve in your trading journey. Okay, so of course feel free to direct message me or comment like this video and ask me your questions. If you have a ticker that you want to be analyzed, I'll be happy to share my point of view to you guys. Okay, so let's go to the point, straight to the point of this weekly market review. We like this chart. Okay, we opened also the previous one with this chart, and yeah, we can clearly see like Bitcoin bears are really trying their best here and trying to put a lot of pressure on all the traders. Okay, but from a technical point of view, this level is holding. Okay, price recovered pretty well the previous week, and this week didn't really manage to do something bad to the price chart. Okay, something I highlighted also in the past, I guess in the previous weekly review, I guess the first, price can easily trade and retest EMA 18, EMA 13, or even EMA 21. Okay, which are usually support price. I mean, you can see it happened already many times, as you can see also in the past. Okay, and also in the bear trend, and we are just retesting this. So till we don't lose this, and this, above all, we don't make a weekly close below I would say 58, 57. I mean, we are just doing a retest. Probably this can be seen very easily also on a monthly chart. If we go to a monthly chart, we can see that basically this range, the range that we can see here highlighted with the red, is basically resistance support retest. Okay, and the current monthly candle is like a doji, which usually means consolidation or reversal at this point. So yeah, just don't get lost in the crab market. Okay, how we usually on crypto Twitter are used to define this stage. Okay, for example, here price consolidated, retesting the previous all-time high, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 months before the move, the real move. Okay, and again another 6 months of crab market. Okay, consolidation. So we are here in the middle of the third month, so you may say like we are consolidating for 1 month and a half. So let's be sure to don't get lost on this chart. Okay, it's very important to say, let's move to the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, so on the Bitcoin dominance chart, I don't know, you can see, especially if we remove, you can see like this trend. You see, this is a strong trend, right? Consolidation. Okay, we had this consolidation, the dominance broke out, and but this is like consolidating here. You can see there is not a speed up. Okay, like was a speed down here, a raise down. There is no raise up in this scenario. Okay, price is just consolidating here, and yeah, it's valid what I told you guys. Price is just consolidating. A drop here would be like off season, right? Would be something really amazing. We are still watching closely this. Ethereum dominance is really not doing something interesting here. Indeed, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart I was seeing before, yeah, it's not great chart at the moment. Still going down and down. Besides, yeah, as I told you, we have the weekly. Also, you can see on the 3-day chart, we have this bullish divergence. Okay, but like price is not really interested in going up, and you can see this also in the Ethereum chart. Okay, we have on the weekly these weeks and price recovered, but this last week it was not very interesting. Okay, so to say, I mean the hidden bullish divergence now is pretty clear. Okay, it's pretty clear. The currently the RSI is like at 51, 52. Okay, it's just going for the retest of the 50 level. But yeah, on the price, this is not really great. Okay, to be honest, I don't like very much this chart. Okay, probably there are better charts that you can look at. Okay, and you can look at instead of Ethereum. Okay, because on the monthly chart you can see price went up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 candles. So at least we can expect 3 red. Okay, in my case black candles. Okay, of retracement. Okay, the retracement is still pretty much good. I mean, we didn't even retest the Fibonacci golden ratio, so at 2000 and half. But yeah, on the weekly chart, this is really not a great view. Okay, because like bears winning, because bulls did their best to make price stay above 3,100, but yeah, this week is like trashing all those efforts. Not very, as a Ethereum fan, not great to see. Okay, that's kind of obvious. Okay, you can see here the hidden bullish divergence even better. Okay, but yeah, a strong recovery above this level 3,200 should be done in order to bet again strongly on Ethereum. Okay, this is just my point of view. Okay, because you can see here it's kinda price wants lower. Okay, just pointing lower in this region, in this region here. This is what that is here. Price just wants to go here. This is what it seems. Okay, not fun at all, of course. But let's not forget, as a trader, you must know that you should never marry a ticker, never marry a project. Not just because it's something bad in principle, right? But just imagine if you would you own a company. Okay, you have many employees. Of course, you are happy when your employees are all doing their best. They're giving, let's say, profit to the company because their work is very much appreciated. And your clients are happy to pay you. Okay, and is Ethereum paying you, or it's like a good employee in your wallet? or maybe there can be better charts, okay, better employee where you should invest. Okay, I'm not saying you should sell all your Ethereum, just saying again, as probably Bitcoin chart is not the best chart at the moment, like Ethereum is not the same, okay, maybe there are better charts that you can look at, okay. Just a look at the USDT. Yeah, USDT dominance is not doing what we were hoping. Is currently like printing a hidden bullish divergence. Sorry, bearish. I want to say it's not very very much visible, but yeah, this is hidden bearish. Sorry. Hidden bearish divergence, because you see RSI making a higher high, but price is not. So again, should really not go above this level, 5.4%. That would be not funny at all. Okay. Okay, let's go to other charts. Let's go to Uni. I like this chart for a few reasons. You can see here that price consolidated for a long time in this range. Let's see how much time I should be able to check it out. Yeah, date range. Okay, so consolidated in this range like for 94 bars, which is 660 basically days, close to 2 years basically, and it broke out, you know, and yeah, it's retesting this consolidation range. So this is a chart that I like, okay, also because you can see here clearly a bullish divergence again, so lower low, but not a lower low in price. So yeah, for sure this is a chart you want to keep your eyes on. Okay, of course the price can still dance here, because Bitcoin is not doing is very bullish stuff, or dominance is not dropping. But yeah, this is a chart that can easily doing amazing numbers, like multiply by 3 in a few weeks, okay, if the market behaves in the correct way. Okay, so this is an interesting chart. Another interesting chart, I mean, which did basically the opposite, okay, in the last few weeks. So did the retracement, basically retested the listing price, and is doing amazing things, like up only in the last few weeks. You can see even better basically on the daily. So this consolidation, okay, and then price going up. Okay, just something that I like to do, you see, is this. I do this together with the closes and the wicks, and you can see here basically like the 1, 2, 3 on the third try, price rise it up. Okay, yeah, price is doing something really amazing. Of course, daily close really above let's say 95 would be like very bullish in my opinion. Okay, like a close above here would be very bullish in general. So where it can go, we can check like we did the previous time, the auto Fibonacci. Yes, this is the level it may go. Like the price retraced to the golden region, basically came back to the extension. Yeah, this is a very nice target. And with my hands, we should inverse this. Okay, now the target would be this. Okay, yeah, so for sure we can have this as target, for example. Okay. Phil is where is why Phil? Okay, you see, like price is looking like that. Okay, but why I'm telling you this is not a dead chart? Because in my opinion, for example, we can do a simple comparison to this project. Here you can see, for example, price is doing something similar, okay, but look at the volume. I don't see so much volume here, so market is really not interested. And there was here a pump, which was like an exit pump, and the same happened here. Okay, so really, in general, not very good vibes on this chart. But if you check this, you see that there is a lot of interest. There is a lot of volume on this chart, and the volume basically increased, okay, during time. So there is interest on this chart. Okay, so of course I'm not telling you to buy here and sell at 500. Of course it can happen, it's crypto. But yeah, for sure, buying at 5 and even being able to sell at 100, it's like 20 times. I guess you understand the point. I don't give any financial advice, of course, but yeah, this chart is nice. Okay, also because you can see like price really managed to break the trend, to break the bearish market structure at some point. Okay, price, you see, is basically also retesting. It's something we were seeing also on PEPE, right? So price is doing a retest here, in my opinion. It's holding, making always a higher low. Just yeah, the usual Bitcoin dominance drop would really help here, and for sure the first target can be from here, where we have a fair value gap till here. These are all it's been for 3, and here it's like 4 5 times, 3 times. So good targets in my opinion here. And another chart, I think it's also interesting. It's not a have, it's comp. Basically, why I like this chart is because you can see in the last 4 weeks, basically the price didn't drop, and we still have a bullish divergence here. You can see again price making a higher high and higher low. Okay, so it's a bullish trend, so it's just a matter of time again here for the price reaching this, for example, I would say. So 4.3 from here. Again, of course, it's crypto. Price in the long run, in the crypto bull run, you can easily go back even to 500. or and do like per 9 per 10. Okay, but yeah, level by level. Don't forget this, because the most important thing, guys, is taking profits. So because you saw, I saw also this chart before making the video, and I was saying, okay, it's time to take your profits. And I remember I went also on lower time frame, and I was saying, okay, I remember maybe on 15 minutes, I remember I say, if we lose this level, then this will happen, and you see, right, what I was saying, that this level was lost and price is basically bleeding, right? And feel all of this inefficiency here. Of course, on a higher time frame, if you go on the daily, we may say, okay, is it retesting the previous range high, so the previous all-time high, and if it holds here, of course, chances that price continues going up. Okay, because you see, it did the same the previous time, retesting the previous high and go back higher. Okay, retest previous high, this was a demand, and go high. So retest and go high. Of course, if you do the retest of the previous high is enough for the price action, of course it will go from here, but the demand is here. Okay, demand is at $2 and 33, 35, 40. So still a good drop can happen. Okay, just for your reference. M50, this is like a plate harness, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it's interesting to see this chart on higher time frames. It's a very nice chart. It's like one of the charts that you wanna see it running. Again, strong volume. Okay, there is no hidden bullish divergence or a bullish divergence in general, but you see the volume is pretty much amazing here, and the price is keeping doing higher high and higher lows. Okay, so no new low here, unless this yeah, we had here a stop hunt. Generally speaking, this can be not really important, considering we had here on the closes, on the price closes, this was a hidden bullish divergence, and price is kind of recovering from here. So I still see this as an interesting project to check out, but yeah, not as strong as this, because if you see this is really a V-shaped recovery, right? This is a really strong recovery. Okay. Something interesting to say on DOGE, for example, here, not a V-shaped recovery, but interesting to see that this daily this 3-day candle created a local demand which is holding. Okay, this is something very good for DOGE and DOGE lovers in general. BNB is still consolidating, so really, apart from this deviation, okay, price is ranging still in this range. Consolidation below resistance is very bullish in general as your trading rule. Solana is as a strong community. You can clearly see that, and price is holding. It's consolidating here. You see always the bullish divergence. So hidden bullish divergence, sorry. we need Bitcoin dominance drop even on this chart. Okay, but currently, yeah, not great to see this weekly candle as a doji. Not great. So for probably more consolidation is expected on this chart. You know, if you see this red candle here, I want to teach you something, because you can take for reference. Okay, see this candle. Oh, we said, okay, this is a recovery candle, good week, price recovered, good week down, okay, price recovered. But this candle is currently like the same candle we see here. Okay, and what happened after this candle? The market gets scary and price dumped till here, basically. From it's what a drop is this. Let me calculate, and let me make this also preferred. No, not the date, the price. Okay. So price after this weekly close made minus 15%. Okay, which is really not great. Which is really not great at all. But the weekly was good. The weekly recovery was good, and price like rebalanced itself. Okay, so expect the same can happen here. Okay, price can really drop even in this region, just because, oh fuck, the price is done. Ethereum is done here, so you can experience a big dump, even a flash dump and recovery. Okay, but yeah, get ready. And something really important to close this this video. There are times where you are not even obliged to trade. I mean, you can take a pause, or you can start a dollar cost averaging strategy on your preferred coins. You are not really obliged to scalp every day. Of course, you can do. We do in my trading group. We always do some scalps, but really, you are not obliged to trade every day if you don't have a clear vision of what the price is going to do. So because just trying to guess is usually the best way to lose money, and to lose faith also in yourself and your capabilities, because you start also fighting with yourself, and this is something you really should not do. Okay, so something that I suggested, for example, this week in the public channel, in the free channel that you can access simply by subscribing with my invite on Pionex. Okay, I was suggesting here price dropping, and this happened. Yeah, not to the level I wanted, but yeah, the price dropped 2 times, did a retest of this region, and drop it again. This is the current price. Okay, and we took some profit here. And on the other side, also here I was suggesting price going lower, because you know this region, this range, that was resistance, then support. Yeah, we were hoping for a deviation, bullish deviation here, but then I say, guys, this is a liquidation, good spot for as target, liquidity target. The price made again here kinda a bull trap, and price moved lower, and yeah, is currently fighting. You see here, price is fighting, and this candle, yeah, it's not really funny. This 1 hour candle is not really bullish in my opinion. So yeah, we have still this level as a liquidity level that price can retest. Okay, So stay safe out there. Feel free to direct message me or just leave a comment or give a like to this video if you liked it. And yeah, I strongly suggest you guys to subscribe on pionex. It's a really great experience. You can have a really nice welcome bonus also, up to $2,125. Yeah, just Signup, and also I will give you access to my free channel where I share my scalps on pionex. Okay, so have a nice weekend and a new week, trading week. Cheers guys, bye bye.